Okay, scholars, in this video, we're going to talk about graphing lines in slope-intercept form. So we're just going to follow the steps. So it says, if it's not already, rewrite the equation into y equals mx plus b form by solving for y. Place the starting point at the corner, at the y-intercept, which is OB, on the y-axis. You're going to get a second point by using the m value, which is the slope, or the rise over the run. And then you're going to connect the points. So let's do number 1 together. This is the equation y equals negative 2x plus 3. We're going to turn our 2 into a fraction by putting a 1 under it, and that is the slope. And this is the y-intercept, and we're going to graph that at 0, 3. So we're going to start at the origin. 0, 3 is here. And then our slope is negative 2 over 1. So we're going to go down to 1, 2, and over 1. And that's our second point. We're going to draw a line to connect the graph. Okay? See? Easy. Let's do number 6. Again, negative 2/3 is the slope. And because there's a subtraction sign in front of the 4, that means that our intercept is going to be negative. And we're going to graph it at 0, negative 4. So we start at the origin and go down to negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and put a dot. And then our slope is negative 2 over 3. So it would be down here at the bottom. So there's no room on the graph to do that. So we're going to go, it would be down here somewhere. Let me just move this up. It would be down here. So 1, 2, and then over 3, 1, 2, 3. So what you can do is go back to 0, negative 4, and go the opposite direction. And it'll still give you the same line. So we're going to go up 2 and over 3. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, when you draw the lines, it's still on the line. All right, I'm going to leave the rest of these for you to do for yourself. I will say that for number 7, when you do not see a y-intercept, the y-intercept is going to be 0. All right, see you in the next video.